Ever felt lost in a sea of generic field names in Docusign, struggling to remember which one needs what information? Let's cut through the confusion and learn how to rename those fields for ultimate clarity. First, open the document you'd like to edit in Docusign. Make sure you are in the editing environment. Now, click on the field you want to rename. This will select the field and bring up its properties panel on the right side of your screen. Look for the field properties panel. Within this panel, locate the name field. This is where the magic happens. Click inside the name field and carefully type in a new, descriptive name that accurately reflects the information you're collecting. For example, instead of text 1, you could name it employee name or date of hire. And there you have it. The field is now renamed. Click anywhere outside the field properties panel to save the change. You can repeat these steps for all the fields in your document. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save and Close button. Now your Docusign document is easier to understand and use. That's how to rename fields in Docusign. Subscribe for more helpful Docusign tips and tricks.